Traders, this is the gold trade that I sent into VIP today, counter trend, and I want to explain the strategy. I'll make this one public so others can see what we're doing with this counter trend scalping. We've got this alert going on. Let me just open this up. This alert fired on the 4-hour, it's fired on the daily, and we had it fire on the 1H. But the alert that I've got set up over here is actually this guy. Bear with me for a sec. I'm just going to introduce another indicator, that one. This is going to be available to everybody very shortly. This one here, I'm just going to move it to the top. Let's just have a look at this. I'll just move it up. So the alert that fired on the 1H was that. And when this goes off, it brings us into the chart. And we need to see that this indicator down here has the same. We want to see the red alert down here as well. But the alert that I'm using to bring me into the chart is actually this one up here. So when that fires and I see that, especially when we have a combination of this alert on other time frames, let me just show you this. Right, we got this red alert here on the 4-hour. We've also got it on the daily. So this is quite a strong signal. It's a really good signal. So what we're going to do is look to counter trend trade. Now the rules of engagement when this aligns is to come down to a 15-minute chart, and we look for our entry on the 15, but a couple of things have to line up. Our point of interest from the higher time frame was back here. In fact, let's mark that up and then we have a precise markup on the chart. I'll just do this. Okay, the red dot was there, okay, on the 1H. Oh, we got some alerts going off. To have a look at them. Lots of opportunities happening at the moment. All right. So the point of interest on the 15-minute then from that markup on the 1H is here. And what we're going to do is look for the same thing to occur on this time frame. We had that alert there. We had this one here. More importantly, let's just introduce this guy and we'll bring it to the top. We have to see on the 15M that these have happened or these have occurred. And then we're going to be looking for the break of structure. But more importantly, you want to see that there's a strong divergence. Yes, there is. Now, look, you could have jumped in a bit too quick by taking it here. I prefer to just let this run a little bit because I'm looking for this kind of price action. I'll show you, and I've mentioned this in a lot of videos. I'm looking for this range to fake out, shake out, and then we're off. Okay, the fakey shaky chart pattern. It ranges, they draw in sellers, more stops go in above, they run those stops, and then you start to see this breaking down. So that's our cue. In fact, these signals here are the cue to get short, basically. This is starting to break structure. Yeah, it traded back up again, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm good to take the risk. Can it go the other way? Yeah, they could run it up for another run on stops, basically, before it tanks. But, we take the risk. And the idea with this is we win a lot more than we lose. So we took this trade. I took it on this pullback. Yeah, and we're now approximately, just a little bit short of 1R. And I've just mentioned to my VIP guys, just close the trade here. So we're going to secure these profits because what we have on the 15M and on the 5M is this and this. So I'm expecting that to pull back. So what we do now is we go down to the lower time frame, and if it pulls back, we look for that. And, we could get involved again. So we've closed this entirely at this level. Money's in the bank. We're ahead. We've got a buffer. So we can look to take a little bit more risk. So now the plan is to go down to the 5-minute chart or even lower, 2-minute. Oh, actually, and look, here's the thing. See this? And we had both of these signals here on the 5M as well. It's trading into quite a significant support level. Let's see if we get that. And then, another opportunity to enter there. Oh, the other criteria is this. It has to trade into, apart from all the other stuff I mentioned, see the yellow line? That's a previous daily high. So you want to see it push into a previous higher time frame, high or low. That's important. So we just have a little list of the check boxes, and if it stacks up, we take these trades. I mean, look, this is our 4th winning week in a row. We kicked off 4 weeks ago with our new indicators and strategy, and each week has been profitable. So that's four profitable weeks running, and my aim is to continue the winning streak every week. If you haven't signed up for the 2-week free trial, guys, jump on board. You can take this for a test run and see for yourself how profitable this is and how beneficial our VIP is. I mean, I'm doing mentorship videos on a daily basis. This new indicator here is going to be available very shortly in the next, probably over the weekend, internet. I want everyone to have it by next week, by Monday. Gain full access to the indicators. I'll show you how to do that. In the description below, there's a link to my WAP landing page. And when you click on it, it'll take you to this page. You can scroll down and have a look at all the details. Click Get Access, and make sure when you do that, you put your email in to get access, but come back to this page because you need to click these links up here for instant access. I've got 2 Telegram channels, Crypto and Forex, the TradingView indicators. You click that and you're going to have immediate access to all of my indicators. Trading 101, that course, and plus my daily mentorship videos. Make money with us. Jump on board, try it for 2 weeks. I'm sure you'll be delighted with the results. And use that 2 weeks to cover the upcoming subscription. And it's only $49.95 after that, but you'll cover that every month easily. That's what my members are doing. Oh, we've got my first. This is a new system I've set up with WAP here. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Greg, for your feedback. That's fantastic. Yeah, and then you'll have access to these here. So with that, join us on this journey and enjoy the success that we're experiencing in VIP. With that, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.